If you are a realtor, you know about location, location, location. And if this is the year that you're going to become more serious about producing videos, you also need to think about location, location, location. The setting is not only a very important character in the story, but it also quite literally can give you validation in terms of your Google rank, your search rank, and what people are looking for on YouTube when you post that video. If you're at a public landmark or a river or an outdoor trail or like literally any setting that can be geotagged and that showcases the fact that you're actually a local business, make that part of the story. Not only make that part of the story, but make that a lead hook when you're producing videos about your story. Make sure it's over your shoulder in the background. Make sure you're gathering great beauty shots of that landmark. Really invest in your knowledge about that location and rally behind the setting itself, and you'll be surprised what sort of mileage you'll be able to get on YouTube.